Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are here. Rocket, Zuli, and Daddy are here because we're gonna do the raffle for Victor Nizovtsev's new artist launch ending. You want to talk? What are you gonna say? Oh, okay. Say it. Go.
Mommy's not here and Daddy is side to us.
Yeah, Daddy's beside us. Mommy's working. And so we have all of the order numbers here that have ordered the Victor paintings.
Yeah!
All month long. Yeah! So what we're gonna do is we're going to bring out the raffle jug. Yeah!
Well, wear our mask.
Yeah, wear your mask. Get our mask props. Okay, and I'm gonna give a little bit of tickets to you.
Put it in the jar.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the jar. Here, hold some. Wear your mask in one hand. Here, hold it with this, and then hold it with. Yeah, there. Hold that. There. Okay, there. And I have the rest here. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Little by little. Thank you guys for participating in the Victor Nizovtsev new artist launch. And to say thank you for supporting the artist, we are having a raffle draw.
Yay! Yay!
I'm gonna do my little jug, and then Zuli's I'll hold the mask. You're gonna do a little shaky shake, 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 shaky, 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 shake, 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 shaky, shaky, shaky. Now it's Rocket's turn. I'll hold the mask, and you do your shaky, shake, shake. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. One more magic shake. Alright. Diamond Shop. Pick one winner. Zuli. One winner. Who's the winner? It is DMS 8029 Janet Matthews. Yay! Congratulations, you won a MAYstery box for the raffle. Congratulations! Woo, 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 woo. All right.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss a video. Bye! And flat bye! Peekaboo.
Okay, you guys want to dance? Yeah?